Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect your Zoho CRM account to n8n. This connection allows you to automate actions and data between Zoho CRM and many other apps using n8n workflows. The setup is simple, and we'll go step by step. Before we start, make sure you have accounts for both Zoho CRM and n8n. If you don't have them yet, pause here and create your free accounts. Once you have access to both platforms, you're ready to continue. Now, open n8n and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Workflows tab in the left sidebar. From here, click the button to create a new workflow. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. Next, we need to add a Zoho CRM node. Click the plus icon in the center of the canvas. In the search bar, type Zoho CRM and then click on the Zoho CRM node to add it to your workflow. As soon as you add the Zoho CRM node, it will ask you to set up credentials. Click on the drop-down menu for credentials and select Create New Credentials. A window will pop up where you can configure the connection. In this window, click the Connect Account button. A new tab or pop-up will appear asking you to log into your Zoho CRM account. Log in with your Zoho credentials and allow the requested permissions. This step links your Zoho CRM to n8n using OAuth. Now, go back to your Zoho API console. If you haven't used it before, you can get there by going to api-console.zoho.com. Log in if needed. Once you're in, find the client application you use for n8n. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to click Add Client, then select Server-Based Application as the type. Once you create the client in Zoho, you will be shown a client ID and a client secret. Copy the client ID, then go back to the n8n credential setup window and paste it into the required field. After you paste in both values, save your credentials and confirm the connection. If everything is done correctly, the Zoho CRM node in n8n will now be marked as connected. At this point, the integration is complete. You can now use this Zoho CRM node in any workflow. You can read records, create leads, update contacts, and much more. You can also connect other apps like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets in the same workflow to build powerful automations. This is a quick and simple way to link Zoho CRM with n8n. Once you set up the connection, you don't need to do it again for other workflows. Just select the same credentials when adding more Zoho CRM nodes in the future.